Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by readying hardware and account so split screen won't stall. Plug or sync both controllers, then sign into two profiles, Xbox Live or Local, because Forza requires separate players. Once done, check display settings, make sure resolution and HDR match both inputs to prevent scaling glitches. You do this first because controller and profile recognition happens at boot. If those are wrong, the game can block split-screen access. Now launch Forza Horizon 5 to the main menu and stay on that screen. Next, start the actual split-screen session by selecting Play then Split Screen. Press on the second controller to join. You'll see the second profile pop in. If not, swap USB ports or repair the controller. Once both players are recognized, pick cars and customize loadouts because vehicle class affects matchmaking and events. Then set gameplay options. Difficulty, driving assists, rewind. These choices change how challenges scale, so align them now to keep fair gameplay. After configuring, confirm and load into the world. Finally, get into the world and tweak in-game HUD and camera so both players have clear sight lines. This improves control and situational awareness. If you encounter lag or desync, make sure to lower resolution, disable HDR, or close background apps. These steps reduce GPU load and network chatter. Save your session with each profile to retain progress, and remember quick resume can occasionally desync split screen. Quit fully before resuming. If controls still fail, reconnect controllers and restart the game. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.